Good morning from Namkat Yorla Pa สบายดีตอนเช้าจากNamkat Yorla Paเนาะ It's nice to hear the waterfall. I mean the water running and of course the waterfall way above to go see. This is my room. Executive Deluxe. This is my 5th day staying here and I'm going back to Luang Prabang tomorrow. My favorite place is of course the bathroom. Nice whirlpool bathtub to enjoy. I could easily stay here 2 weeks and still couldn't get enough of it. Actually, you could actually stay here for a whole month and would never get bored. So many activities to do each day. So, this is truly with nature. I don't even want to go back yet. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.